Hey everybody, this is Miss Maria from Pleasant Ridge Montessori.
Hi, it's Mrs. Wall, music teacher from Euler School.
And I'm Mrs. Calhoun from Roll Hill. Enjoy.
1, 2. Rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. 3 little birds pitched by my doorstep, singing sweet songs, a melody's pure and true, saying, this is my message to you. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Saying, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright.
Help in the kitchen, stirring up delicious fun. 3 little birds fly by my window, chirping out loud. They're reminding us each day everyone can make a mistake.
Saying, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Saying, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright.
Lie down this evening, wave to the setting sun. 3 little birds nest in the treetops, humming soft rhymes and lullabies, dreams to keep. Whisper, settle now, sweet child, and sleep.
Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. 3 little birds pitched by my doorstep, singing sweet songs, a melody pure and true, saying, this is my message to you.